Got an Alcotec vodka kit and not sure where to start? Do this. Start with a large fermentation bucket and make sure all your brewing equipment is clean and sterilized. Pour hot water into the bucket, then add your sugar and stir thoroughly until it's completely dissolved inside the fermenter. Top up with cold water to around 25 liters, making sure everything is mixed well. Check the temperature. It should be close to 30 degrees Celsius before adding the yeast. Now sprinkle in the Alcotec turbo yeast and stir well inside the bucket. Fit the lid loosely or use a blow-off tube, as fermentation will be very active. Place the fermentation bucket somewhere warm, ideally between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks, the mixture will ferment into a strong alcohol base. Once fermentation is complete, check with a hydrometer. The reading should be below 0.990. Now add the stabilizer and activated carbon directly into the bucket, then stir well to remove gases. Leave it to stand for 24 hours. Next, add the finings in 2 stages, leaving a short gap between each addition. After another 24 to 48 hours, the liquid should be clear. Carefully siphon the clear liquid into bottles, leaving the sediment behind in the fermenter. You'll now have a strong, clean base that can be used as it is or flavored to your taste.